AnduinOS 2.0, a fresh take on the Linux desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the more interesting Linux distribution releases of 2026, AnduinOS 2.0. If you're someone who wants a polished, Windows-like desktop experience built on solid Ubuntu foundations, but with better privacy, performance tweaks, and a cleaner approach to maintenance, this could be worth your attention.
So, what exactly is AnduinOS? AnduinOS is a custom Ubuntu-based distribution that focuses on delivering a familiar, refined GNOME desktop with heavy inspiration from modern Windows interfaces. Think centered taskbars, fluent-style theming, and smooth usability right out of the box. It's designed for everyday users and developers who appreciate Ubuntu's hardware compatibility and ecosystem, but want less bloat and more thoughtful defaults. Version 2.0 marks a major evolution. Previously, like many community remasters, it relied on imperative bash scripts to tweak an existing base image. That worked, but it was fragile for long-term maintenance. With 2.0, the team, now backed by iYoursoft Limited in Hong Kong, rebuilt everything from the ground up using a declarative packaging system. They start with a clean de-bootstrap process and assemble the OS modularly through custom tools like AOS Proj and APKG.
This results in a core made of about 56 standard .deb packages across different tiers, hard replacements, soft overrides, and branding extensions. Everything stays fully compatible with the broader Debian Ubuntu world. No proprietary update scripts anymore. Just plain apt-update and /apt-upgrade, with repositories served efficiently via a global Cloudflare-powered CDN.
Now, about the key highlights of AnduinOS 2.0. Base and performance. Built on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS Resolute Raccoon with Linux kernel 7. It includes desktop optimizations like BBR congestion control, lower swappiness, and tuned-in notify limits for snappier multitasking. Intel SOF audio firmware is preloaded, and there's good secure boot and NVIDIA support. Clean and lightweight. The team takes a hard stance against bloat and telemetry. Snapped and similar components are excluded by default in the build process. The ISO stays compact at around 2.5 gigabytes while including modern lightweight apps. Celluloid for video with FFmpeg and YTDLP, Loop for images, Amberol for music, and more. Developer tools are available, but not pre-installed to keep things lean.
Customization and look. A new first-party AnduinOS appearance settings app, GTK4/libadwaita, lets you tweak taskbar position, icon styles, grouping, and more. The GDM login screen features a fluent theme with dynamic wallpaper picking. Extensions like Dash to Panel are configured for multi-monitor and workspace isolation with localized right-click menus. New wallpapers and a refined font stack, Cascadia Code, Noto, Nerd Fonts, Twimoji, round it out. International appeal. A single ISO supports 28 languages, including improved CJK, Arabic, and Thai input. You can choose your language right from the grub menu with matching keyboard layouts. Chinese users get a streamlined rhyme input method. Practical conveniences. App images work out of the box. Passwordless policy kit for common tasks. Easy desktop shortcut execution. Pre-configured printing, scanning. And a simple GTK GUI for UFW firewall management.
So, who is this for? AnduinOS 2.0 targets users who want a familiar, highly customizable GNOME experience that feels premium and Windows-inspired. Strong privacy focus with no unwanted telemetry. Long-term stability from an LTS base. excellent out-of-the-box hardware support, including modern graphics and Wayland HDR readiness. Native APT package management without custom tooling complications. It's not trying to be a radical new distro like something immutable or rolling release heavy. It's about refining the classic Ubuntu desktop formula with thoughtful engineering.
So now about getting started. You can download the latest ISO directly from the official site, AnduinOS.com. Check the release notes and full changelog on their docs site for technical details. The project is open source, mostly GPL v3 with APKG under MIT. So the build tools, packages, and sources are available on GitHub for anyone wanting to explore or contribute. Final thoughts. AnduinOS 2.0 feels like a mature step forward, shifting from hobbyist remastering to more professional, declarative distro engineering while keeping the spirit of customization and usability alive. If you're tired of fighting with your desktop environment or dealing with unnecessary bloat, it's definitely worth testing in a live session or virtual machine. What do you think? Have you tried AnduinOS or other Ubuntu derivatives? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.
Thanks for watching, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for daily videos. Bye.